Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 13. For the past 12 videos, we have been introduced to the consonants and vowels. We have also gone over what an anuswar is and what a halant is. And now we're going to take a step forward and we're going to combine the consonants with the vowels. And then hopefully after we have an understanding of combining the consonants and the vowels, then we could start producing sounds, we could make words, we could make sentences, and then after that we'll have a very exciting journey ahead of us. So we have consonants followed by vowels. Let's take a look at the rule. When a vowel follows a consonant, the consonant loses its stroke or its halant, and the vowel is written in an abbreviated form. And in the bottom here, in the green, highlighted in the green, are all the abbreviated forms that there are for vowels. These are all the abbreviated forms for vowels that are being used when you place them after a consonant. So this is when we learned about ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Now we're going to not only learn about ga, but we're also going to learn about ka, ki, ku, kri, ke, kai, ko, kao, kang, kaha. Okay, we're going to learn about pa. We're going to learn about da, di, do. So you'll know how to make all of these different syllables with the consonants and combining the vowels together. I'm going to show you how to write them out, and then you'll be able to have the ability to take these vowel signs and then combine them with all of the other consonants, because it pretty much goes the same exact way. So you have the example that I have below here is k. Remember that k is not ka without the vowel. So now does not have a abbreviated vowel sign. When k and is combined together, you're just getting ka without the halant. Okay? Now with the others, although the halant is removed, you have to add these vowel signs. So k plus a gives you ka. Let me zoom in and draw ka for you. Ka. Okay. It's just a line down. Then you have k plus I gives you ki. So let me write ki for you. It's just sort of like a hook on the left-hand side. And then you have ki on the right-hand side. So k plus I gives you ki. So we'll zoom in and I'll write ki for you. Ki. Okay. Then k plus u gives you ku. Zooming in, we have ka, and then you have o. I like to think about o as the vowel sign for o as a backwards C, backwards letter C. So that's ku. Then you have k plus u gives you ku. So here's k, then u. It's a little loop at the bottom, ku. Then you have k plus ri gives you kri. So kri is like a little C at the bottom. That's kri. Then k plus a gives you k. Again, the halant is being removed, and you just write the consonant like how you would always write the consonant. And then you have k. I notice that K has a loop on the top. The vowel sign for A is a loop on the top. But remember, the vowel itself, A, does not have a loop on the top. The vowel sign that has a loop on the top is I. But take a look for kai, when we're making kai, the vowel sign is 2 loops on the top. So that's how you get to tell the difference between the two. So, kai, k plus I gives you kai. And we're making 2 loops, kai. Then k plus o gives you ko. Let me write ko. K. Again, a line down. That gives you ka, but then when you put 2 loops above that line, you're going to get, you're going to get ko. Getting ahead of myself here. And then you have k plus ao gives you kao. Kao. So k, the line, and then 2 loops. Kao. Again, the font is going to be different from the way how it's actually written out, but they are loops on the top. Now, kung and kaha isn't here because remember, they're not actual vowels, but this would be kung or cum, as it depends on what follows it, correct? So this would be kung, and then kaha would be 2 dots. All right, and those are your vowels. In the next video, you're going to have your first assignment where you will be practicing how to write out not only the consonants, but you'll also have practice to write out the vowel signs with the consonants. And I will show that to you next video. See you then. This is your Sanskrit instructor signing off. Namaste.